The Philips Air Performer 8000 series is a versatile appliance designed to not only purify the air but also to heat and cool a room according to your needs. My name is Maddie, and in this video I'm going to review the Philips Air Performer 8000 series. Let's start. The Air Performer promises full cleaning of rooms up to 70 square meters. It boasts an impressive air purification rate of 270 cubic meters per hour, ensuring that even large rooms are protected from various contaminants such as bacteria, viruses, pollen, dust, pet hair, dust mites, harmful gases, and unpleasant odors. Philips utilizes nanoprotect HEPA filtration combined with the activated carbon and the pre-filter to remove up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.003 microns. This technology not only captures contaminants but also attracts them electrostatically, ensuring full cleaning by being energy efficient. The Air Performer provides powerful and clean airflow for cooling purposes. With a bladeless design and adjustable airflow rotation of up to 350 degrees, it offers 10-speed settings for customized cooling. Equipped with powerful PTC technology, the Air Performer can quickly heat up the room within 3 seconds. It allows you to set a target temperature between 1 to 37 degrees Celsius and offers 10 heat settings for personalized warmth. The device also features an automatic mode for efficient heating with the energy-saving algorithm. The Air Performer is powered by AI technology, enabling it to detect air quality and analyze usage habits to adjust cleaning performance accordingly. This ensures optimal performance while keeping noise levels and power consumption to a minimum. Intelligent area sense sensors continuously monitor air quality in real time, providing feedback on particulate matter, allergens, gases, temperature, and humidity. It allows for immediate action to improve air quality as needed. The Air Performer features a sleep mode for ultra-quiet operation. With a noise level of only 25 decibel, it automatically adjusts its noise level based on ambient conditions and usage patterns. With its energy-efficient design, the Air Performer consumes a maximum of 40 watts in cooling mode, equivalent to a conventional light bulb. The motor runs only when necessary in automatic mode, extending the life of the filter and saving power. So the Philips Air Plus app allows users to track indoor and outdoor air quality in real time and control the device remotely. It offers features such as digital remote control, smart scheduling with Alexa and Google Assistant integration, and fully customizable airflow settings. Their performance is tested for virus removal. Philips air purifiers undergo rigorous durability and quality tests, ensuring reliability and performance. Overall, the Philips Air Performance 8000 series appears to be a comprehensive and efficient solution for maintaining clean and comfortable air in your living space throughout the year. Its combination of advanced filtration technology, versatile functionality, and smart features make it a compelling option for those seeking superior air quality control.